Hey, how's it going? My name is Brad with Greenfox Air Quality, and today we're going to go over content cleaning. We're going to be doing a complete micro cleaning of this room, and if you look around, you can see that there is surface growth all on these walls right here. Going here, it's on the ceiling a little bit, and the reason why this happened is if you come over here, you can see that this fan was set to the on position. Now, when it's set to the on position, you are not allowing the air to dehumidify. We're not pulling the moisture out, and it's creating a bunch of moisture leading to mold growth on various building contents. Now, we're gonna be removing certain stuff. We're gonna be removing a lot of this areas. However, there's certain stuff that the client is gonna wanna keep, right? So anything that is hard surfaces, we're gonna be able to keep, such as this nightstand right here. If you take a look at the nightstand, if you look at the back of it, you will see that there is some severe mold growth on it. Now, our client wants to keep this, right? Normally, we would probably recommend just discarding it. However, this is a very expensive piece of equipment, so we're gonna clean it the best that we can. So in this video, we're gonna go over everything, but before we get started, if you could please like and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna HEPA vacuum the nightstand. And Justin, what he's gonna do is a brush, he has his PPE on, and he's gonna go over everything once or twice, trying to get as much of the surface growth out as possible. So now that Justin HEPA vacuumed the nightstand, we're gonna wipe it down with an anti-microbial solution. What we use is a botanical based solution, and it's called Porous. And we're gonna wipe this thing down as a hard surface. We're gonna damp wipe it, get all the mold off that's residual, and go from there. And that's it. Justin wiped down the nightstand with an antimicrobial solution. It looks like brand new. And now the client is gonna be happy that they can keep this and they don't actually have to throw it out just because it had mold on it. So that's our contents cleaning. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.